Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the gear. Make sure battery level is healthy and firmware is current, because performance drops on low power. Pair the earphones and set your phone or source volume to about 70–80% so you have headroom. Once paired, disable software equalizers or aggressive noise canceling that reduce perceived loudness. Doing that gives you a cleaner signal to work with. Now check the Bluetooth codec in settings so you know if you can use higher quality profiles. Next, you change key settings and apply careful amplification. First, select the best codec available, aptX, aptX HD, or LDAC, because higher bitrate codecs preserve peaks that sound louder. Then raise system or app gain gradually. Keep it under clipping by monitoring distortion and staying in the 80–90% range. If needed, apply a small EQ, a narrow boost under +6 dB around presence or bass frequencies. Once done, test with familiar tracks to tune boosts without causing strain or damage. To finish, lock in your settings and verify long-term stability. Set a safe maximum volume in device or app settings to prevent accidental spikes, and consider a reputable volume limiter app if you need consistent control. Make small final EQ tweaks, then listen at various levels to confirm clarity. If you hear distortion, restart your source and earphones, repair, and try a factory reset if necessary. This often clears codec negotiation issues. If problems persist, check for firmware updates or try a different source device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.